Hello, everybody. I have been very, very busy this summer, studying mostly. I am researching and practicing all kinds of new little tricks. Excuse me while I move my little guy back here. Um, so I'm working on some more biomorphic forms in my beading study. And these are kind of some of the experiments I've gotten to. And I was looking on the internet for a really good I wanted a kind of a tentacle form that actually, a really good tentacle form, and I couldn't find one. So I developed one. And out of that, here it is, by the way. Looks kind of cool, right? And out of that, I decided to make I'm not a jewelry maker, but I designed a piece of like tentacle jewelry. I thought the internet kids would really like, since they did not come through for me on the internet with a tentacle type thing. So I provided it for them. So here we are. I've got these kind of spiraled ropes. You can use it like a lariat, and then they don't have any kind of a connector in the back. They hold on just through tensile strength. So, these are not easy. I'm going to put the beading pattern up for sale, probably on Etsy or through my website, something like that. And then here, I recommend starting with the smaller earring sizes, just to practice it before you get involved in the bigger ones, because they're a pain in the ass, really. And you have to keep them nice and tight, otherwise they don't have that the tension that's so important. These things sort of self-grab onto each other, like a real. They don't have, that's not a sucker. That's not like a suction cup or anything, but they do sort of hold on to each other. So, and then you build them. This is 2 of the ropes added together. And that's 2 ropes. And this is what a single rope looks like. This is a single rope. And they just twist onto each other, and they sort of hold on. And then you put them on. It's kind of like I was influenced by Iris Van Herpen. Iris Van Herpen. She's a couture designer. She's fantastic. She's really interesting. And she works a lot in these whites. So I thought the white would be good. It goes with almost anything. Plus, you can make it out of any color.